Hey guys, I've come to show you my new baby kitten we got a while ago. I don't exactly know where she is, but we got her a while ago, and I'm gonna kind of be doing an interview on her. So it's a long story. Gatsby, what the heck? Okay, so that's Gatsby. Alina, here, kitty. Do you see Gatsby in his little tent? He loves that tent so much. He's like his modded. But guys, oh hey, there's Grouchy, Harley. Almost every animal in the house has shown up except for Alina. Alina. Oh, there's Donatello now. Cause he can't really go anywhere. He's like, civilization. He's just sleeping. It's the usual. Did you want my attention? Here, Max. Go fetch. Go fetch it. Max, come on. Come on, Max. Come on. So, oh, there she is. Resistance is futile, cat. Ah! Oh my gosh. Probably can't see anything in here, guys. But I can. Is the camera stupid like that? Okay, guys. I have no idea where this looks like. It's trying to find the darn cat so we can get her. And this is just horrifying. Just a bunch of... Here she is. Okay, guys, we're just gonna wait for her to come out. This will probably take like half an hour, but for now, let's watch Gatsby. Yes, I'm gonna set it up so we can get inside for once, because Gatsby's like, growl! Gee! Today. Ow! Okay, guys, I just heard this weird noise, so I'm gonna go check it out. Max, what the heck is that? Come on, Max. Come on, Max. Max, come on. If I'm afraid, you're going with me. Guys, it's not that I'm like scared of my boots. Like, my boots are shaking. It's just that I'm a little terrified right now. Well, guys, thank you for watching this video. And remember to comment and subscribe for that weird thing. I feel like I'm seeing things, but maybe I'm not. Hopefully I am. But guys, remember, comment, subscribe, like, and all that, guys. Bye!